Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a writer you would like to meet. You should say who the writer is, what you know about this writer already, what you would like to find out about him, and explain why you would like to meet this writer.
The Indian writer I would like to meet is Amitav Ghosh. He is a renowned novelist and essayist who is known for his deeply researched and critically acclaimed works. His most famous novels include The Shadow Lines and The Glass Palace. I know that he is a master of historical fiction and his works are heavily researched and based on real events. He is also an environmentalist and his writing often explores the relationship between humans and the natural world. If I were to meet him, I would like to find out more about his research process and how he is able to bring the past to life in such a vivid and engaging way. I would also like to know more about his views on the environment and how he thinks literature can be used to raise awareness about environmental issues. I would like to meet him because his writing is incredibly powerful and thought-provoking, and I think he has a lot to teach us about the art of storytelling. His work has inspired me to think more deeply about history, culture, and the natural world, and I believe meeting him would be an incredible opportunity to learn from one of the greatest writers of our time. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.